just a sec. Alright. So, welcome everybody. I'm Eva from Gecko Games. I'm the lead programmer. Okay, so we're gonna be working on Scalefang. I worked on some enemy markers, so you know where the enemies are going to come from, which direction they are coming. What else? And what I want to do now. Hello, Bota Gustavo Tag. Hi. So glad you're here with us. I hope you enjoy our stream. So what I want to do is add some small animations for the markers when they appear and then when they disappear from the screen, so they don't just appear like that. So I was working on a small interface to add to my object pool because because I have the markers on this pool and I wanted to like the pool itself call the start and the activate and deactivate functions. So I'm gonna have the pullable as I pullable dot appear in the getGame object, and we're gonna call the disappear function. I think it doesn't have a double S, but yeah, I'm not sure. So now the C marker here will need a and the public void appear on a public void disappear. Okay, cool. Okay, so for the appearing of the marker, we want it to change scale, like start small or big. Which one was it? It started small or it started big? Small. So it starts really small, grows a little more than it should, and goes back to normal scale.
Scalefang.
Yeah, Scalefang. I just want to check. Okay, we have a scale on rect transform. Scalefang on rect transform. Which is useful. So we're gonna change this scale Fang according to a function that, let's see which one we're gonna have. Maybe verb or balance. Let's see. I'm gonna go with verb. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, verb. I said verb, so marker. We're gonna ask for this. I don't need anymore. So we are going to ask for a public vector3 now let's go from 0 to 1. Okay, so on appear I'm gonna do. Okay, we're gonna have a public float appear time. For now it's gonna be 0.1f and a private bool appearing. I like that song. Oh, you like the song? Let's see. Let me check what song it is. Say the word. No. Yeah, I don't know. It's a playlist or something. This is gonna be false by default. And then I'm gonna have these same things for disappear. Okay. So on appear we're gonna go with appearing equals true, and local scale equals to vector3.0. And here we're gonna go if appearing, then we will need also a private float elapsed appear time equal to 0. So here I'm gonna go elapsed appear time equal to 0 just in case. If appearing elapsed appear time plus equal time dot delta time. And then we're gonna go verb transform the local scale equal to math effects dot above and will be vector3 dot 1 and okay. So we start from 0 up to 1 and with this time, and then if elapsed appear time is greater or equal to appear time, then appearing is false. And same here, but with this appearing, this one I don't need. Okay, so these should have the size animation we wanted when appearing, and then we're gonna work on the disappear, but first I want to add to my extensions a public static color with alpha, this color return color C return. Hi, why you use underscore for the variable's name at first letter? Oh, that is so whenever I'm writing something and I want a global variable from this script, then I use the underscore and every variable appears here. Yeah, it's just so I can have this whenever I use the I write the underscore, or all the global variables appear here. So if it's not a global variable, like here, it's a local variable, then yeah, I don't put the underscore there. I don't know if that was. Yeah, it kind of helps you to differentiate your variables from Unity variables, I guess. Like when I type transform here, I know it's not like my own variable, it's a Unity variable, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense, but this kind of thing goes on preferences mostly. A teacher of mine, instead of an underscore, used an M. So yeah, just kind of to have a way to recognize which